Welcome to the Flow Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 3 p.m., and that is Central Time. Today is July 9th. Well, today we had quite a bit of action in the crypto markets, where Bitcoin was up $1,500 and clearly bouncing from the region of the 200-day moving average. And that isn't on any particular strong news, other than the fact that a lot of people have conditioned their programs to buy in the region of a trend mean. So there is no clear news on the back of, for example, a diminution of the fear around the Mt. Gox release of supply, or that we're going to see a big swell of new liquidity hitting the markets. And on that topic, of course, we had Jay Powell speaking today and being very even-handed and saying that they've seen some evidence of improvement in inflationary figures, but they need to see more, which I think is not all that surprising. And he'll be testifying again tomorrow. Then we're also going to have CPI and PPI figures. And on the back of all of that, I think that the stock market is in a wait-and-see mode. People want to see what inflation is going to look like and what the outlook for interest rates is likely to be. Then gold was up a little in here today, only about $4, and silver was also in positive territory. The dollar was a bit firmer in here today. But then in the soft commodities, well, we had both Arabica and Robusta coffee breaking on the upside. And certainly Robusta has been trending higher in a very dynamic manner because it has competition from durian cultivation. Then Arabica is testing the upper side of a longer term range. And then orange juice has also been really quite firm as well. So despite the weakness we've had in the grains, there are other parts of the soft commodity sector that are doing better. Then in the industrial metals, copper was mildly negative in here today, but it is holding its low. And then the Chinese market was up about 1%. So it was a pretty quiet day, mostly in Asia today. The Japanese market was up in a dynamic manner. It's breaking out to new all-time highs, and it is looking increasingly likely that inflation is something that is a bit more durable than it has been in the past, and wages are rising. Now, wages are not rising faster than CPI right now, but they are rising faster than they have done in quite a long time, and that was viewed as a positive. Japan wants a wage price spiral. They are more than happy to deal with the possibility that inflation will get out of control, because it's preferable to the stagflation, deflation type of environment. Well, it's not even stagflationary, it was deflationary and recessionary, really, over the last several years. Then China's market was in positive territory, and I think the cue coming out of the party plenum is that there aren't going to be big changes, but that there will be I think, a reasonably predictable supply of just enough liquidity to ensure that bankruptcies don't loop back in to hurt the economy.